Back to my channel, and now I need to download driver Epson Workforce. This here for Workforce Pro, this here for the serial, and this here for the year type the driver download. This why driver download, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like the lot for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website. Click here, and please why website loading. Mm, okay, this here for the printer, and you scroll on this here for the detect the this why website loading. This here for detect your operating system, detect automatic your operating system. This here for detect Windows 11 operating system, my operating system. Okay, and if you need change the operating system this year, click here. This year for the March operating system. This year for the operating system for the Mac 12, Mac 11. This year for new driver for Mac, and this year for the Linux driver, and this year for the Windows 11 new driver for the Windows. And I am testing for the Mac 12, and click go. This here for the driver for Mac 12, and okay, this here for the driver for Mac 12, and this here for recommended for you. This here for driver and utility combo package for the Mac 12, and this here for support printer, support scanner, support fact utility, and this here for scanner and scanner 2 UCR, and this here for the software update. Okay, this here for compatible operating system for the Mac, and this here for the driver print only, and this here for driver combo package. This here for driver remote only. This here for Wi-Fi the driver Wi-Fi only, and this here for UCR driver scan only. This here for the driver utility, and this here for event manager software update, and smart scan smart connect printer and connect printer setup for the print, and this here for uninstall for the print, and this here for net config for the for the driver, and this here for FAQ, and this here for UCR, and this is for firmware the driver recovery mode firmware driver, and this here for mobile driver. This here for the apps mobile, and this here for App Store and Google Play for the mobile driver. This here for compatible your driver. If you need to download, you click here download. And this video I need to download Windows driver Windows 11, and I am change the driver Windows 11 before I am see for you for the Linux the driver. This why the Linux driver detect. Okay, this here for the Linux the driver and support Linux, and this here for the driver for the Linux product. Okay, and I'm checking the system version for the Windows. Click go Windows 11, and this why. Okay, this here for the Windows 11, and this here for driver recommended for you, and this here for driver and utility combo package installing for the driver, and this here for driver for the Windows include the printer, include the scanner the driver, include the fax driver, include the readying and scanner smart 2. This here for support Wi-Fi printer. Okay, and this here for the driver print only and driver scan only, not package, and this here for remote print driver. This is for Wi-Fi only the driver, and this here for the combo package. If you for the same app the driver, And this here for the printer only, and this here for the scanner only. The driver, this here for compatible your Windows 11, and this here for utility, the driver. This here for the software update, fake utility, scan smart. This here for the version, and this here for connect printer setup utility, and this here for Epson F1 manager driver, and this here for net config the software, and this here for the firmware, this here for recovery mode firmware version for the Epson. Okay, this one I am need download for the driver combo package, and I am recommended for you download here for the package. This here for much include the driver, and if you need download, you click here download. This one, this here for the driver download for the Windows 11. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you click here, you click double click here, as you click extract, you click next. This here for the detect your automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my channel. See you by next time.